Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, in this episode we're going to be looking at the Predator 1400 super quiet inverter generator. This is Predator's first ultra small 1000 watt inverter generator. So we're going to be taking a look at it. This generator has 1400 watts starting and 1100 watt running watts. You know, you're going to be using this generator for more like recreational tent camping, somewhere, some things like you just need to carry a generator with you. You know, tailgating. Is it going to be like an emergency generator like that can run the house? Probably not, because it only has 1000 watts running, 1100 to be exact. So I'm thinking something like this is boating, tent camping, anywhere you have to carry a generator with you to charge something. This generator is going to be perfect for that. So this one has the CO monitor. So what that does is, if this generator is started inside the garage, and it sensed the CO building, it's gonna shut off the generator, and that's awesome for safety. Okay, so we got running watts, 1,100. Starting watts, 1,400. The engine is the 54cc engine in this thing. The horsepower is 1.88 horsepower. It only has a 0.6 gallon fuel tank that can last you 7.3 hours at 25% capacity. It's 120 volt outlet, two of them. It has a 5 volt USB, just one, and 5 volt amp USB port. Also, it has two USB, one at 2.1 amp and one at 1 amp. It has the DC 12 volt outlet, 5 amps. Recoil starter. It has the oil shut down. So it's 60.4 dB. And it only weighs 33 pounds. So, you know, it has the carbon monoxide shutdown, which is really good. You know, detect harmful levels of carbon monoxide. Automatically shuts off if the generator senses that. Okay, so the 1400 comes. Got the manual on top. It has a screw-on type funnel in this one. It's pretty interesting. Got your little toolkit and your 12 volt for battery charger. All right, there's the 1400. Let's get it out. Okay guys, so we got the Predator Super Quiet Inverter Generator 1400 from Harbor Freight. Let's get this off there. Let's take a look at the front of the unit. So that's your 220 volt plugs I was talking about. I love the cover, especially if this is a generator you're going to be using for recreational use, tenting, boating, stuff like that. You know, it's very important that you have a cover that covers the outlets, keep the dust and debris out of it. This is your carbon monoxide shutdown. In the event you run this generator inside a garage, it's going to detect a buildup of carbon monoxide and shut the generator off. Very, very important. You got your two USB. One's a 2.1 amp, one's a 1 amp. That's your 12 volt charger. It comes with the adapter. That's the battery charging adapter I showed you. I love all the covers. This generator is parallel capable. Awesome. So you can put two of these together and get 2,000 watt, 2,200 watts. Here's your reset button and your eco mode switch. Well, ESC ground. Okay, so you got your gas fuel shut off, on, off, your recoil starter, your choke control over here. back, your exhaust dead center. Access for your spark plug. This will be right here. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the 1400, Predator 1400. So you can see your choke is connected to your carburetor. This is your air filter housing, throttle body. This is where your oil will be going in. So one thing I noticed right away is this generator, so the oil is below the outer cover. So this right here is where the oil comes out when you tilt it. You tilt this and the oil will come out right here. Pretty interesting. So you gotta be real careful not to make a mess when you change this oil. So that's the air inlet for to cool the generator. So that little slot right here should go right to the inverter. You got your vent gas, 0.6 gallons, guys, for 7 hours. Pretty good. So we're gonna start the generator up. We're gonna let it run, and the next video we should be doing the load test. So far, what do I think of the generator? I like it. I like the shape, the compact shape. It's really light, and it should be an awesome generator for Harbor Freight and Predator 1000. Okay guys, we got the Predator running. That's wide open. It's really quiet and tiny. Really quiet generator, super quiet. So I'm gonna put the Predator inside my box trailer and test out the carbon monoxide. Okay guys, so this is my cargo trailer. I'm gonna put the Predator inside. I'm gonna leave the door open so we can monitor it and see if it shuts off. Let's just put it right there. You can hear it running inside. Okay, so I got the generator inside my box trailer. I got the generator inside my box trailer closed up, and I want to see if it's gonna shut down with the CO detector. So far it's still running. It's been like over 2 minutes. Okay guys, the generator just shut off. Let's get this open and air it out. Let's see what it says. Okay. Okay, so once your CO detector goes off, I guess you just restart it. Let's try to restart it. Okay, so once the CO detector goes off, you just restart the generator, and that should reset the, oh, it's still detecting a little bit. So it says flashing red light, dangerous level. Flashing yellow light, carbon monoxide sensor malfunction. Okay. So it flashed red and detected carbon monoxide and shut itself down. That was pretty cool. You just restart it and it resets itself. Okay guys, so as you can see, we tested the carbon monoxide detector and it works great. It took about a minute and a half to shut down, 2 minutes, but this light right here starts flashing red. Once it detects carbon monoxide, it will shut the generator off. And if this light is flashing yellow, that means it needs service. So keep an eye on that. But it does work. And that's a pretty nice safety feature on the generator. So it's really quiet, really light, 33 pounds. Shouldn't be heavy heavy enough for anyone to carry. So I give it a pass, and I can't wait to load test it. I'm gonna do some light running with it, break it in, change the oil, and then we'll do a load test on it on the next video. Okay guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, Gavin's Garage. This is the Predator 1400. It's the new 1000 watt inverter generator. So please guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.